business to show in this video how they paved asphalt binder for this project. That's car dealer shop. So here, after they paved asphalt binder, they poured concrete curb. You can see here for this island. There's another island there. You can see the orange cones. Here and here they did the slope, and they did seed and erosion mat, and then after that they digged for foundation for base for lights. So they came back again to do seed and erosion mat again. You know, they should wait until everything is done to do it one shot. Okay guys, and here you can see they use the socks, erosion paddle with silt fence. Here, that's the island you can see. Here you can see they poured concrete for a slab. They poured concrete for a slab, and they started to install the steel structure. They poured concrete for a slab. You can see control joint here, diamond, sanitary like pipes here, steel. Okay, you can see control joint. You can see turn down slab like 2 foot. It's a good work, good concrete work. And they did control joint here. They missed the corner for the diamond. You can see no cut here. They should do more saw cut from corner for diamond. Okay. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. You can see they are working to install steel structure. Bracing the ceiling. Thank you guys, bye.